Okay, go, 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 go. You gotta go a little faster. Thank you.
Thank you.
Santa, that was Santa, Julian. Yes, you can do it. You're doing good.
That was him.
Yeah, I think he was. Staying on the right side of the yellow lane. You're on the wrong lane, Julian. Uh, Papi, stay on the right side. This bike is coming behind you. Okay, go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Go a little faster, papi. And stay on the right side. Whoa, 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 where are you stopping? Remember I said stop on the side of the road, not on the road, in the middle of the road. Move to the right side, Julian. On the edge of the road, the right side. Julian, move to the right. Yes, yes, good job, good job. Ah, why are you braking?